Hi.
Wow, you look awesome.
Thank you.
You ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Can't believe this finally happened.
I know.
You sure Jacob's gonna be okay with this?
God, I hope not. Is it something I'm doing?
No, of course not.
Because it's really starting to seem like it is.
Come here. You're beautiful. You know that?
Wow.
Is that okay?
Is that okay? You should put that on your fucking resume.
I had 3 daughters. Gina was 5. Jenny was 7. She liked boys already. Julie was 9. She was older. They all looked alike. Like Doreen. Doreen was my wife. DT. That was her nickname. Doreen Templeman. Doreen had a dog, Spider. Spider was a poodle. Doreen never judged me. You know, like some wives do. Just wanted me to take my shoes off so I didn't ruin the carpet. You know? That's it. Girls were very, very female. You know? I was the oddball. Mr. Man. You know? They would wake me up all the time Saturday morning, you know, singing Beatles songs. The 4 of them in harmony. So cute. So cute. They adored Johnson.